Hello friends, today I am changing the spark plugs on my M113 engine. Here are the spark plugs main tools, and decided to share with you the job or the main aspects of it. Here you can see my engine uh, looks like this. I removed valve covers. I was working on the camshafts. The camshafts are already installed, I mean AMG camshafts, and here you can see that the excess of the spark plug holes is very easy in this situation. That's why I decided to do this job. So here we are, my friends. Very gently, very slowly, I'm working to remove 8 spark plugs from right side and then 8 spark plugs from the left side. I'm using now special Hatset 3/8 drive swivel socket, which is developed to work with the M113 and M112 engines. Also, I grabbed some extension here with flex head 3/8 ratchet, and very gently I'm trying to remove the spark plugs. Thanks God, in my situation spark plugs are now stuck and they are removable very easy. If you have some problems, you can use some WD-40 or very little amount of the engine oil. Just drip inside of the hole and give it a few minutes, then you will be able to remove it. Here you can see I'm removing now the spark plug. It moves very easy, and I'm very happy due to this situation. I'm installing on my engine a brand new 60 genuine Mercedes spark plugs. They are made by NGK and they are made in Japan. When the spark plug is loosened enough, then you can use your hand and remove it finally from its place. In overall, the story is the same with all spark plugs. Some of them move free, some of them need some effort, but if you will be gentle, my friends, and slowly, I can guarantee that you will be able to do the job. Make sure to use a special socket. Once again, I have reviewed it on my channel. This is made by Hatset, and this is developed to work with M113 and M112 Mercedes engines. Otherwise, if you use a regular socket, not a swivel one, you will have some difficulty due to the restricted place and working area here. Here are all the 8 spark plugs I removed from the passenger side of my engine, right side, and the story will be the same. I mean the removing process from the left side. I have removed the valve covers and I have enough room and area to work with them. In this situation, the 6th was a little difficult to remove, but I used a very little amount of engine oil and it came. This is the tool I used, and this is very good tool for the spark plug job. Now it's time to install the new spark plugs. I insert the spark plug into the special socket, and at first I am going to tighten it with my hand. I am not going to use any ratchet here. The first step is to match the threads and then tighten it with the hand. In this situation, the risk is reduced to damage anything here. And after you feel that the spark plug is tightened with your hand, then you can use some ratchets to torque it with the proper specification. So the spark plug is tightened with the hand. Now I'm using a 1/4-inch ratchet to reach more leverage, and very gently and very slowly tighten it. And at the final stage I will use torque wrench to make sure that the spark plugs are torqued with the 28 Newton meters, all of them. So my friends, here is the official instruction which says that the torque moment for the M113 and M112 engines, I mean the spark plugs, are rated to be 28 Newton meters. Also, you can see the special socket part number here. Here is the torque wrench. I adjusted it to the 28 Newton meters, and now let's tighten the spark plugs to this specification. So my friends, this is the final stage, and let's torque the spark plugs to the 28 Newton meters. In this case, everything will be ok. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was enough informational. Thumbs up, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episodes. Bye bye.